Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make easy beer ad, using stock footage from Envato Elements. Before we start the video, go in my description, and get a subscription on Elements Envato for the best stock footage. Also don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Flat Media. Firstly open your videos in Filmora. I have already downloaded from Envato Elements. Then import your videos to the timeline, make sure each video duration is no longer than 2 seconds. Also make sure duration of AD is no longer than 30 seconds. I will speed up this process. I will extend this video. Now go in Effects tab and search for Cinematic Effect. Drag and drop into your timeline all over the videos. At first clip I will put Warp Zoom 6 Transition. Go in Transition tab and search for it. Also I have downloaded sounds from Elements Envato for best effect. In this clip I will use cooking sound. In next clip I will use steam release sound. In this one, I will use cap coin sound. Put another sound on second bottle. In this clip I will use bottle opener sound. I will import one more clip between these videos. In this clip I will use beer pouring sound. Now for background music, go in Audio tab. And search for beer run sound. Choose some music and drag and drop to your timeline. Use Audio Stretch tool to make smaller duration of the song. Increase volume of sound a little bit. As last step we will put Amstel logo at the end of the clip. I will use some Marvel template. I will delete some photos and effects. And I will import our Amstel beer logo. Make it smaller. and go in Transition tab, and search for Warp Zoom 6. Put it on the beginning of the logo. Now double-click on logo, go to First Frame and add a keyframe. Then go to the last frame and decrease opacity to 0. That's it. For more tutorials, please like this video and subscribe to Flat Media.